In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data to Excel from Wrike. Whether you're managing team projects or handling complex tasks, exporting your data can be incredibly helpful for organization and analysis. Let's walk through this process together from start to finish, ensuring you have a seamless experience. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wrike workspace. Once you're there, the initial step involves clicking on the specific project or folder containing the data you want to export. This ensures you're in the right location to extract the information you need. It's vital to ensure that all the data within this folder is current and properly organized, as this will make your export both efficient and valuable. Next, once you're looking at the contents of the folder, you'll spot an item labeled Test. Go ahead and click on this. The reason for this particular click is to refine your selection and pinpoint the exact dataset you're aiming to export, preventing any cumbersome, irrelevant information from appearing in your final file. With your selection made, direct your attention to the top right corner, where you'll find an icon consisting of 3 dots. Click on this More Options icon. It's a handy feature allowing you to take further actions on your selected data or project. In Wrike, these options provide expanded functionalities, which in this case, advance us toward our export task. Moving on, you'll see an option labeled Export Project to Excel. By clicking this option, you're telling Wrike that you want to convert your selected data into a universally accessible format. Excel. Excel files are excellent for detailed data analysis and reporting, offering versatile tools for your continued work. After selecting the export option, a prompt should appear, presenting you with a final confirmation button labeled Export. This step is your last chance to ensure everything looks correct. Once you're certain, click this button and the system will process your request, creating the Excel file from your designated data. Remember, this might take a moment or two depending on the volume of your project data. Finally, the processed file will appear as a downloadable link, usually named similar to test, export.xlsx. Click on this link to download your Excel file. The download will ensure that you have local access to your data, granting you the flexibility to carry it wherever you need, whether it's offline work or further analysis in Excel. Congratulations, you've successfully exported data from Wrike to Excel. Remember, this can save you a lot of time when maintaining organized archives of your projects or preparing reports for meetings. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to repeat the process. Thanks for watching and happy exporting!